My amazing Dibima ReliefNet family. I'm sure you've heard the news. AI is changing everything. But let's get real. Success still starts with us. AI, it's just the spark to fuel our fire. Here's the truth. A dream doesn't become reality through magic. It takes sweat, determination, and hard work. But now we have a powerful partner, artificial intelligence. Think about it. AI helps us spot patterns, automate the boring stuff, and unlock ideas we never even imagined. But it's our curiosity, our grit, and our drive that bring those ideas to life. AI can be the rocket fuel, but we're still the pilots. So keep dreaming big, keep hustling, and let AI help you turn those dreams into reality. The future? It's a team effort, and together we can make it extraordinary.